Hi everybody, it's the editor here from Robinhood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. This week, if you've probably not already noticed, is not a compilation video. It's a bit of a channel update. A few weeks ago, I posted a community post that said I was taking a break from creating videos, and I just want to share with you why, what's been going on, and what's going to happen next. I'll keep it as short as possible. Don't want to ramble on for too long, to be honest. But essentially, three things have happened that have caused a bit of a pause in the world of video creation. So first off, I had a very close member of the family be quite ill recently, which has meant my focus has been elsewhere. To be honest with you, one of my parents has been quite ill, so that's where my focus has been last few weeks. They are slightly better now and showing signs of improvement, but it was very, very touch and go a couple of weeks ago. So hence I wasn't really in the mood for sitting in front of an editing software and making a video. That has got better, as I say, so that's good. Another factor here is my work outside of YouTube. YouTube is my hobby, not my job. So my current real job has been quite demanding recently and continues to be so and will be for the next foreseeable. So that's also added an extra level of complication and stress and pressure. So it's also made me less inclined to sit in front of a computer for 3 or 4 hours after a 12-hour stint at work. So that's played into it as well. And making a video every week, it takes about 3 hours to 4 hours a week to do all the editing and all the collating and the captions and everything. So that on top of everything else in my home life, it's just becoming a bit much at the minute. So I've been feeling a little bit burnt out for a while, but I kept going on because I know how much you enjoy them. So I get a lot of satisfaction out of that. So it was worth it. But I think with everything else, it's meant I had to pause. And then the third thing happened. The third thing I didn't expect. I had an email from Google to advise me that my channel has been completely demonetized. Um, why has it been demonetized? Well, it appears that they're happy with the content as such, apart from the content that also appears on other YouTube channels. So, for those of you who don't know, yes, I have my own content on here, and I take content from other people who don't have YouTube channels. People send me things through WhatsApp and email all the time. In the top right hand corner, you see their names and yada yada yada. You know all that. But there's also content in the videos that comes from other channels like Stormus, Nottingham Dashcam, Sheffield Dashcam, Dashcam Hull at times, WP Dashcam, that kind of stuff. And these are all great guys, and we have an agreement between us where we share content and we just reference each other's channels, and there's a gentleman's agreement between all of us that that's how that works. Apparently, YouTube aren't happy with this, and they've seen the content elsewhere, so they've deemed it fit to demonetize me due to reused or duplicated content, essentially. I have gone through the appeals process already. I've been rejected under the grounds that the reusing of content is not amended or changed in any way, shape, or form. So essentially, that's me out. In terms of money for the channel, I'm not a particularly greedy person. The channel makes on average about £80 a month. So that's about £20 a week. So it's not exactly a massive money earner. I don't have a merch store. So this particular little bit of pocket money for me has been closed off, shall we say. So I could opt in for YouTube membership, I think it's called, or something. I don't know what it's called. I could do Patreon, but to be honest with you, I don't feel justified in charging you guys for this sort of content. You can go anywhere on YouTube or Facebook video or whatever and find this sort of stuff for free. So there's no real, I don't see personally um, that as an option. So yeah, that this channel is is dead as such. Or is it? Haha. So what happens next? So next, I think I'm going to take a break. The family situation is getting better, and work will need my focus for the foreseeable. I am due to finish a big piece of work in the next month or so, and I do have still a lot of content that is suitable. So my own content and a lot of content that doesn't feature elsewhere. So I think probably I'll either relaunch a new channel in the future, or we'll add here, just not as often. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, so I can post communications about what to do. This isn't the end of Robin Hood Dashcam. This is just a small pause. Um, there will be some kind of relaunch in some guys in the future. I'm not giving up on it because it's a good hobby and there's some great people, and I really appreciate people coming back week after week. And when I did take a break, I got a lot of emails and direct messages on Instagram asking if I was okay and stuff. And it's really nice that people, you don't know who I am. I'm just the voice of the editor, but it's really nice to know that people, on the face seem to care and want to make sure I'm okay and stuff, and they really enjoy the content. And for some people, it is a bit of a Friday routine. So I do feel I'm part of people's Friday routine, which is nice. So yes, it will come back at some point. Regarding content, while I'm off having a small break and dealing with real life stuff, um, please feel free to send me things. If you don't have a YouTube channel, that's great. Well, WhatsApp's still open, the inbox is still open. Go ahead. Please feel free to share your car spots and your bad driving and your observations. I'm more than happy to review anything. Keep that coming, please. If you do have a YouTube channel, you can stop sending me things now. That's fine. Just concentrate on your own channel. But this is a bit of a warning for other channels, I guess, out there, and you guys know who you are if you're listening. Um, Consider editing the hell out of something to make it look like it doesn't look like it's from me or from somewhere else if you're still using my content, or maybe add a voiceover or edit it in some way. The guy from Google, in fairness, when he came back to me, was quite helpful, and he said you do need to edit it in a way that makes it look drastically different from the previous um, publishing of it, or add some kind of critical review. That's why I think websites like Ashley Neal and stuff get away with it, because content's used, but he provides critique. So that's why he doesn't fall foul of that. So that's okay. But when you're just reposting stuff with a caption, providing a question, and then having commentary on that piece of footage, and then a follow-up conversation in the comment section, and sometimes our Discord, that's not enough. That's not enough editing. That's not enough critique. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, let's wrap this video up. It's been going on for far too long. Headline is, I'm taking a break. I will come back. Continue sending me your stuff. Things are getting better here. But for now, I just got to take a break. Keep subscribed. Keep your ears pinned to this. The Instagram feed's going to continue regardless. The Facebook feed, maybe to some degree. And the Discord is always open. So anyone's welcome to come and chat with us. All this information is in the video description, of course. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you all hopefully very soon. Cheers.